We want to build furniture that is going to last a lifetime. We don't want it to wear out. We don't want somebody to have to buy one thing and then a year later they end up having to trash it because it doesn't stand up to the elements. We want it to last and be something that they can hand down over generations. When we look at developing a product, one of the things that we look at is how do the materials work together? How do they go together? Our main material since the beginning has been teak. Since the beginning of time, I mean, teak has really been the main wood for outdoor use, and they used to make ships out of it. And it's such a good wood that when they bring a ship off the bottom of the ocean after 300 years of being down there, the only thing left is the teak. It's such a great material for the outdoors that why wouldn't we start with that? That's the best place to start when you're making outdoor furniture. We've moved into terracotta, we've moved into zinc, we've moved into glass fiber reinforced concrete. We even did one piece in carbon fiber. So we constantly try to add new materials as long as they're great for outdoors. At all of our factories, there are multiple stages of quality control along the way, from the point where it's cut from a log, if it's teak, or it's inspected in terms of stainless steel or aluminum. There's quality control all along the way, and at any point in the process, something could be rejected if there's a problem and go back to the beginning of the line and be worked back into the production in the form that it needs to be and the quality that it needs to be. That just gets it through the factory. Once it's finished at the factory and it comes to Dallas, we look at everything again. We don't just take something in a box off of the shelf and stick it on our dock and ship it to a client. Everything comes back out of inventory. We go through it with a fine-tooth comb. We check everything. If we need to resand something, we do. If we need to fix something that might have happened during shipping, we take care of it all here in Dallas. And then once it gets through the entire production process here in Dallas, it goes up and gets QC'd multiple times again to make sure that by the time it gets out the door here in Dallas, it's absolutely perfect. It's about absolutely gorgeous designs and the ability for it to last forever. I want that to be our legacy.